Today, we'll look at branding within CloudRadial. Within CloudRadial, you can white label your tenant to stay consistent with your brand for your clients, including changing the images, colors, and logos as you need. To start, navigate over to Partner on the left-hand side and click on Settings at the bottom. Then, navigate to Account and Branding. It's the first option under Setup on the right-hand menus. Note that if you're just starting out with CloudRadial, you'll need to fill out the contact information before moving out to the second tab of Branding. Once you do, you've got a few options. The first option you'll see is Theming. Theming dictates the color of the top title bar as well as the feature sets on the left-hand side. Right now, I have it set to User Set, which means that users can choose their own theme as they like. However, you can also be more strict with your branding. For example, you may want to manually select a color for your title bar. To do that, click on any option besides the user set, for example, the dark theme. Once you do, you'll see an additional option for title bar color. From here, you can either specify the title bar with a hex code or with our visual editor. Remember to keep your title bar color and theme set complementary to your logo so it's easy for your clients to read. And speaking of logos, this next option will let you upload one. The recommended size for logos is 150 pixels wide by 26 pixels high. To upload the logo, click on this Media Library button on the right. The button is a shortcut to the Media Library where you can upload your files as needed. It's found under Partner, Account, and Media. Once here, you can click on the Add button at the top right to manually add your files, either by dragging and dropping or by choosing the files from the button. This action will place the logo securely onto CloudRadial's servers. Now, we have to grab the link to it. We'll click on the individual logo, and we'll copy the link using the Copy button. Now, we can go back to the other tab and paste it into the logo image URL field. Next, we'll look at the email logo. This logo will be used at the top of emails sent out on your behalf by CloudRadial. We recommend using the same logo, but at a slightly bigger size. We recommend 240 pixels wide by 50 to 90 pixels high. The process for uploading the file and pasting the URL is the same as the one before. Moving on, we can also change the portal login name. This will change the display name when your clients log into your CloudRadial tenant. Moving on, you can also add a portal logo image that will show up when people log into your tenant. Additionally, you can also change the background wallpaper. This wallpaper will show up in the login screen, but it will also show up as a stylistic design within the automated QBRs. For this one, we recommend a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels or larger. Once you're happy with your branding, go ahead and click Submit. If you're not seeing changes immediately, you may need to refresh the page. Be sure to modify your CloudRadial tenant to work for your branding.